fastest. So, reasonable time.
Oh yeah, I'm okay with that.
Came off the track.
Endurance want to be faster, but it's okay for now.
Keeps hitting all
Well,
the
yeah, because you don't always just make sure you don't get run over.
Who's driving this?
So,
We don't know. We were speculating.
so you had a good time this morning. So, you know, it's points that counts at the end of the day, isn't it?
Do you get minus points for hitting cones over?
Yeah.
I'm really happy that my team put the car together so well, and then they serviced it and checked it before I could run it. The car went pretty well. I didn't have any problems with it, and yeah, it was a pretty good run.
Yeah, what's the track like?
The track layout's really fun. It's a lot of fun, long straights and little chicanes.